Industrial Sage here, coming to you from the floor at Modex. We're here at AutoStore with David. Tell us a little bit about what you guys do here.
Sure. Yeah. We so at AutoStore we offer a each-based ASRS system, cube storage. So it's incredibly dense storage. Customers can reduce their storage footprint by 60 to 70%, and then rapidly increase their throughput per person. So we facilitate very fast-moving picking operations, as well as very small kind of micro fulfillment centers within our grid. So we offer kind of a range of different solutions for a whole host of different customers and different verticals.
And what are you showcasing here at Modex?
So we're showcasing a range of things. So we have our system as a whole, which gives a good overview for any potential users of how they can leverage this within their operation. Some new announcements that we have. We have a new robot, which is our R5 Plus unit, which is capable of moving a slightly larger bin than we've used before, which expands the range of products that we can store within our grid. And in addition to that, we've also been showcasing more of our micro-fulfillment solution, which we have been expanding quite a lot over recent years with great success in the market.
And so how does AutoStore change the way that people do business?
So really, with the pressure that is on the supply chain at the moment, both in terms of labor and available space and throughput and the changing consumer behavior we've seen with COVID, there's been a massive ramp up of online orders, and it's put a lot of pressure on how our customers are trying to fulfill those orders. So what we allow people to do is get a much higher volume of their stock stored in a very small space, and then also increase the rate that an individual can pick. So basically you can fulfill more in a smaller space. So those differences of then being able to use the available space you have, the building space you have, as well as increase the efficiency of the individual operators, they're making a big difference for allowing our customers then to meet these ongoing changing demands, which has just put a lot of pressure on the industry as a whole. People are looking for reliable automation solutions, particularly as they move closer to consumers with how they're delivering. And so having something that can be stood up very quickly, that operates in an incredibly reliable fashion, and that saves you a lot of those areas that we mentioned earlier around being able to fulfill more orders with fewer people. All of those pressures are not going to go away. So I think the growth of automation and the need for automation within the industry is only going to increase.
David, thank you so much for your knowledge and your time.
Thanks very much.